Hi everybody, it's Victoria from Tempe Public Library, and the craft I'm bringing to you today is how to make your own fortune teller. So some of you might remember this little craft, this paper folding activity from being in school. I remember making these during class in middle school, so I thought I would share the idea with you all again if it's been a while since you've made this project, or you remember that you made it, but maybe you didn't remember how to fold it. So it's super fun, and then you can put any messages you like inside your fortune teller. So the first step is to get a regular size letter paper, 8.5 by 11. So I have that here, and then you're going to want to start with a perfect square, so as perfect as you can be. So to do that, you'll take it lengthwise, landscape, and fold one corner over to the opposite end. Alright, so you'll end up with your piece of paper looking like that, with a flap. So you'll leave it folded, and then you're going to want to cut the excess bit at the end. Okay, all done with the scissors now. Okay, so you'll unfold it, then you'll see you have a diagonal fold. You're going to want to fold in the opposite way to make your other X. So you're going to take your other end and fold it in on itself, and then you'll end up with an X. Awesome. So now you have an X. Then you'll face it so the paper is folding in on itself, so away from you. Then you're going to take each corner of the paper and fold it in on itself. So you're going to do that with every single corner. And you can work your way around, folding it to the center. Awesome. Then you're going to end up with a square like that. And you're going to fold the paper like this, so it's completely flat on one side, no flaps. Then you're going to do the same thing you just did and fold the corners in again. Awesome. So then you're going to have your corners in. Now what you're going to do is fold along all of the natural folds. So in the middle, and then you fold it in the middle again, so there's a crease down the middle. Perfect. And then you can even go in half. Now It's important to do this so then when you unfold it and you put your fingers inside each of the spaces, it'll be easier for you to go back and forth. It'll be easier to open up. So then you'll see I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are going to be where my fingers go. So what I like to do is I like to open them up one at a time. And then you can kind of crunch it together there. And then it's all ready for you to write your messages in and to color in. So I thought it would be fun to put the messages inside of my fortune teller as things that I can do inside the house while we are in quarantine at home. Some of the messages are things like read a book or draw or do an at-home exercise or take a walk around the block. So your messages are ready to be put in once you have it folded. All right, guys, have fun while staying at home. Hope you enjoyed this activity. Bye-bye.